Right, so we've got Charlie, Jack White, George.
That's me! Not George. Yeah.
Ryan, James, and Doug Breakington for the Harlan serial filler for the first museum mixer. Let's go.
It's only taken us 4 hours.
It took us 4 hours to eventually get here. 20 seconds. Set. Where's the shuffle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, good luck everyone. Here we go. Here we go. Look at the ducks go. They're all.
Look, there's a Batman duck. Doug Breakington.
Just dressed as a queen.
She's got some legs.
Oh my god. The museum is finally open. Oh, it is museum.
It's the late night shift.
The
To be fair, we did call it night at the Top Museum.
We did.
You know, it's now
Expecting it to take 15 hours.
Yeah.
What are you saying? Right, well, I'm gonna grab a coin. So, number 1 would be Doug Breakington. Number 2 and 3, Jack White.
Woohoo!
Number 4 and 5, Doug Breakington. 6, myself. 7, George. 8, Ryan Taylor. 9, James. 10 for myself. Right, how do I
So just
import this?
so if you just go to the other tab,
Yes.
the other window, and then you can see what's.
Oh yes.
It's easier that way.
Right, let's just go. I'll just do 1.
Me with 2 and 3.
3.
Doug Breakington 4, 5.
4, 5.
You 6.
6.
Nav 7.
I got 6 and then 10.
That's 20.
10 in my eyes. And I've got 7.
8 Ryan.
8.
James was 9.
Right.
Go format.
Stupid.
Format. No, data. Oops. Data sort range. And then advanced. Column B.
Right. Okay, we're ready to go. How do you got a coin? So what do you want to? I'll flip. You call. So
Yeah.
okay, but what do you want to do? Heads, or should we do heads? Or what do you?
Heads, big one.
Heads, big one. Tails, little one. Right? Yeah. You call it. I'll flip.
Oh wait, so what am I doing?
So okay, heads is small.
Yeah,
Tails is
the big box.
big hat trick.
Okay.
Oops. That's not the flip. So you call what you want.
Okay.
So if you want tails,
I want tails.
okay, you want tails. It's tails. So I'll start off with
Do the free hobby.
I'll do the free hobby,
Yeah.
and then you do. Here you go. There's your pound
Cool.
back. So hurry up! Shut up, Luke. Sorry. that's me. Boxes.
Boxes.
Sorry. I'm just excited to finally open some museum. That was very confusing to do the heads and tails.
Yeah, well, we're here now, so people can stop moaning. Shall I do this by name?
Yeah, of course. How long until the camera freezes?
It's actually been
Don't
quite
start.
well behaved tonight, isn't it?
Take it slow. I want to slowly hit nothing rather than quickly. Of course. Of course.
There we go.
Right.
This is the break list, everybody. Thank you very much once again for getting involved.
A nice swift fill.
I'll save Swift, Phil.
There's a serial filler at the bottom now.
Away you go.
Yeah.
Giat.
Yeah.
You've got Giat.
Oh. Right, I want this one. Start with this one.
Just quickly before we do get into this
Goodness
break, if
sake.
you are looking to pick up some Tops Now cards, use code GBW10 for 10% off.
If you see him, guys, at a card show doing that, you're allowed to beat him. Right, good luck, everyone. Here we are.
The blocker.
Oh, yeah.
Still left.
I'm just thinking.
How we did, the way we did it the other day worked, didn't it? I can get another blocker.
Or I could. Yeah, actually. I've got one here, mate. Sorry.
Oh, great. Yeah, good luck, people.
So these packs are full of air.
Remember, it starts with base,
Yeah.
and then the bottom one.
Oh, so it doesn't matter if I see the top one, then, does
No,
it?
the top
Okay.
one's fine.
I couldn't. I thought the top.
It's
It's
this
the
hat
hat
trick.
trick, which has
Hat trick is where things
Right,
get a little
this-
bit naughty.
packers.
butchered that, haven't you?
The pack just decided not to open very well. Right.
Keep your water away from my chair. Oh God.
Right. So it's
I smell McDonald's.
right. Doranville as the first base.
That's too big of a sleeve.
That's too big. Well, I'll sort it out later. And then another base. Which ones is it then? These ones. I know there's some thicker ones here.
The thick ones are the ones right at the back.
Oh no, there you go.
Yeah, that's good size.
Right, and then I think we have
That looks like a regular base, but
oh,
won't
like
it?
a base as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then underneath that theory will be
Arena.
a numbered parallel.
Right. So I don't want to see it, so I'm just gonna
Nice.
Di Maria.
Expertly done.
Swift exchange. What? Taylor
Taylor
Swift.
Swift.
Right. So this will be the first CAD. I can grab it and hide this up on at the same time. There we go. So this should be an auto, right? I
This
believe.
is a numbered parallel.
This
isn't it?
could be a number parallel or an auto. Yeah. So.
Like a patch, actually. Could
Is
be a
that
patch auto.
Could be a patch auto.
Patch auto.
Who's that? Asensio. Is it an auto? Yeah, it's Marco Asensio to 299.
Good grief.
Right, what is this? This is probably.
Chris Jones with that one.
Chris
He,
Jones.
at the moment with us, is hitting every card.
Oh, I'm gonna need
That's 50. Do you
the
need 55?
55s. Yes, please, sir.
55, coming right up. Sounded like Charlie the commentator. That's his face point.
Yeah. I know. I saw the forehead, and I was like, "There's no way that's Ronnie, Ronaldo."
Would have been nice. Oh,
dear.
don't strike the cable.
Strike
The
you.
Oh,
Alright. First
yeah,
one.
it's a very fun rip.
Okay, so now we've got a thick patch, I
Yeah,
believe.
it should just be a patch.
It should be. It's to 50 gold.
Oh, okay. Come on.
What's that?
That fits you again.
What is this?
No.
Barcelona
Balde.
Balde. Balde patch to 150. Oh, it's not. Interesting.
This is the yellow, isn't it?
It's
Like, I
yellow.
can't remember what the colour's called. Right, weird. It's all
Have we
named
not?
after stuff in
I swear we
museum.
had bigger sleeves, like bigger.
Yeah,
ones.
the big ones right at the back.
These
yeah.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Yes. And then I'm gonna need a turkey.
One plastic thing.
Numbered bases at the back.
Yeah, I thought so. So next time, do that one first, I reckon.
Yeah.
Auto next.
Okay, it should be an auto. Blue.
Rookie.
Rookie.
Good one.
Ooh.
That's Salzburg.
Yeah, Salzburg.
Oh.
Minter to 75.
Feyenoord.
Or Feyenoord, sorry, yeah. Nice.
Is that salvage?
I don't know what to scroll down. Feyenoord Luke. Salvage. Well done.
That's 100.75 point there.
Yes.
Try these ones.
Wicked. You have a smelly breath. What? Excuse me?
Minter. Let's say.
Swap these over. Right. And then the base is purple. Oh,
Is that Mbappe?
that's Mbappe.
Oh,
Wow.
salvage.
Mbappe to 99.
Go on, salvage.
Well in. Wowza. There you go.
Is that 55 you just used? Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Cool. That's the first box.
Where's his mask?
Very nice.
I mean, it's not the best box in the world. Let's not
We
beat
could-
around the bush here.
We could do better.
That made me feel a bit ill. But it could have been worse.
It could have definitely been
It
worse.
can. This is going to have a one-of-one booklet mag.
Booklet, triple auto. Personally signed by GBW.
Yeah.
Right, so what am I doing here? Should I grab the...
Grab the base parallel from the bottom.
Okay.
You might as well do it first, I suppose.
I'll do it for that, and then
just do the
it's
base
easier.
and then get into the good stuff.
Purple again.
Ew. Holland?
No.
De Bruyne?
Is that?
De Bruyne? No.
No, it's not.
Oliver
That's
Kahn.
Khan.
Wow.
Wow. Very nice.
He's got such a wide mouth.
Yeah. So do you.
Oh, I tell you what.
Wow, very nice. Okay. Now we'll just go Ronaldinho base. What a player. And then let's make sure they're numbered.
Yeah, there is a chance having two numbered parallels inside these.
Yeah. Hoping for a Ronaldo in that last big box? Of course.
No, remember there's another
Oh, well,
hobby
there's...
box as well.
Oh no, yeah, we got one more hobby as well.
Or in this box here.
Yeah. If I can pick this up. Adeyemi. And then just boom. Gavi. But no, is that big box like special? Got some sexy cards in? Of course. So the big box has 6 autos, or 6 auto and patch autos, and then
This stacks.
Yeah,
I
it's
went
just-
through this with you on a DM the other day.
Did you?
Yeah.
Luke.
Tilt the Mbappe a bit because it's lighting. I don't like it. Nice. Thanks.
There you go.
That's nice.
Right. Oh.
Come on.
Right, so this is sideways. Where's the name on this? Top, bottom.
I can't remember what type of card this is.
It's
Patch
patch
auto.
auto.
Okay.
Sideways patch auto.
What colour is that? Is that black?
No.
Mbappe.
No, that's
Ferran Torres.
Ferran Torres.
No?
No, it's not.
No, it's even worse.
Abada to 299. That's for Celtic. Wow. It's even worse, he said.
Well, I mean, it's good for Scott. You know, he's bought Celtic. He's hoping for cards like that.
Yeah.
And fair play to him.
Right. Now we have Patch.
Patch.
So it's going to be quite hard.
What?
Oh. Oh. Jude Bellingham Patch at 299.
Oh, I mean,
Lav.
it's very high numbered.
Don't tell him that.
Lav, it's a one of one.
That's
Match one? Or?
match worn.
I don't think it's down.
Not from a specific match.
No, so Sports Direct.
Why is it so big?
That's what she said. Maybe it's
That's too
even
big.
thicker one.
No, it's the sleeves too big.
That was it.
Sleeves massive.
That's what she said.
No, she didn't say the sleeves massive, did she? It's the same sleeve. It is. There we go.
There we go.
In you go, son. I'm sticking you up there. It's Jude.
Right, we've not had a dub yet.
What have I missed? Oh, breaks. Right. This is either yellow or gold. I think yellow. Looks more yellow to
I
me.
don't know if you can get yellow with those autos. Could be gold. He looks. Is that Henri? No, it's
that's
Gilberto.
Gilberto
Oh.
silver to 50.
Go on, Carlo.
Wow, Carlo.
For a split second, I thought that was Henri,
Is he in this?
No, he's
I don't
not.
think he's in this.
which is silly.
Well, that's probably a dub. I think.
Mm,
What the hell? That's not the right sleeve.
You need 75s. Yeah.
The airbrush has returned.
Yeah, they got rid of the sponsor and the Nike tick.
Yeah.
Which is weird because they've used. Yeah, I don't get it.
God.
I don't get it.
Right. Last box. And then Jeebs will be taking care of you for the hat trick. The hat trick.
Let's see if we can get a gold frame. A gold frame Baxter.
Backstar.
Box break, we break boxes and we sing and break. Go.
Right. Okay.
Well, no gold frame, so
No gold frame.
enter the next break.
Grab the card at the bottom first. Blue. What are they doing? Who is that? Oh, is that Furuhashi?
Yeah.
Furuhashi to 75 base. 75. Oh, is that 75? That should be able to fit in there. Nice. Right.
One of them ones.
Alarcon base. Yamal base. Henrik Larsson base.
Handball, mate. Aha.
It's supposed to be football. You play with your feet. Right, below there should be. Roberto Lewandowski.
So below that's a patch water, and then we've got two.
I think we've got an extra card in this one.
Yeah, we do. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely got an extra card in there.
We have an extra card in here, by the way, gentle bean. Right, here we go. So just a silver again. So what's that going to be to? That was to. I remember.
It's high numbered.
High numbered.
Is that Kaka?
What do you mean? Is that Kaka?
Oh my god!
It's Leon or Messi? Wait, it's a base.
Brilliant.
Wait, what? So wait, did we get more cards in this one?
Yeah, we've got an extra base card.
Got an extra base card.
They can't do that. That's
You.
That's horrible.
That's. Is that Kaka? I was more annoyed about you saying is that Kaka.
See from this angle.
I can't.
But I mean, you know, from an angle, that's.
Right.
No worries, Luke.
Yeah, just. Oh my god.
Wow, we've just been teased.
Oh, we got red.
Oh, is that a 5?
25.
25, yeah, 25.
I think. This would be.
Should
be a patch auto.
Nice outline.
Oh, Philip Foden.
Oh!
Phil Foden. Wow. That's just yours. You took Foden in the end. Oh, Phil Foden, patch auto. Labosh.
That's a lovely card.
Very nice.
This box is.
Is 75? No, that's a 130. Naughty. The Stockport Kaka.
Is that Kaka?
Has time? Let's just see. Right, that definitely makes it up.
That's a dub. That's
That
our
is a
first
dub.
dub.
That is a dub. Let me take a dub. 7 in it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a beauty, that.
Wow.
Can't beat a
Okay.
patch also.
Careful. Is the patch associated?
I doubt it.
Not from a specific match, event, or season. So, sportsdirect.co.uk. Right. It's like a teal, but it's blue.
Very close up.
Oh, that's Haaland, I think. Haaland. Patch. Very nice. To 199.
That's serial filler, by the way.
That is serial filler.
So number 9.
Number 9, which is James Woods.
Go on, James.
Well, in.
Congrats.
It's also... Is that associated? No. Cool. It's a tight fit in there. That was right. Okay, last. I'm gonna do this.
Right, come on.
That's player worn. I don't think this is, no.
It says on the front, apparently.
Player worn memorabilia. Well, on the back
Well,
it says.
He might have worn it for a split second.
Yeah, it says not from a specific match, event, or season on the back, so it might be. Who knows? Right, last card from the hobby boxes. Purple.
99, I think.
To 99, yeah.
Also, good hit. What does that
Awesome.
mean? Maybe.
No, that's... I don't know who that is.
Bastoni?
Bastoni to 99. Auto.
Can't tell from this angle.
Is that Kaka?
Is that Kaka?
Oh dear.
Right, so far we've got some work to do.
Well, this hat-trick box better do some naughty damage. Smash. Oh yeah, that's an Inter card for you. Well in. Probably doesn't make... Does it make it up on the wall over Mbappe?
No.
Nah. Right, I'm going to hand you over to my beautiful, beautiful assistant.
Oh. I'll say it one more time.
Assistant.
Right, here we go then. This is time for a hat trick. Welcome in, guys. I'm GBW. If you are looking to pick up some tops now, no, I won't do that again. No.
Winding it up.
Box breaks.
Getting a bit of a rush.
What have you done with this folding? It's all like...
No, it's because the sleeves, like...
Sleeve seems to be too big.
Yeah.
Anyway, these boxes are the most beautiful things in the world. They're so, so nice.
Don't ruin it. Make sure you open it. Yeah.
I'll open it sophisticatedly.
So good.
By the way, we do have another 2 museum breaks on the website. We are still due a gold frame from the hobby boxes.
Not the hobby box. The hobby boxes.
The hobby boxes. Actual hobby boxes. How do we do this?
Difficult, isn't it?
So I'll just move these back.
Yeah.
No. Put it behind these. That makes more sense, Jeremy. There we go. So inside here there is literally just 3 packs. 3 packs of cards. Is this zoomed in? No. So this is quite difficult.
Because you put... Well, if you take the packs out, you can...
Yeah, I suppose that's a good idea.
Oh, that makes sense.
Nice. Alright, let's start this this pack here. So, 3 cards in each pack. We're going to see a lot of autos here, ladies and gents, and hopefully a 1 of 1. We've got a red straight off the bat, so that's a 25. Have I got it? No. Oh. Right, okay. Here we go. First card of the hat-trick boxes to 25 auto. Is that? Oh, that's for you, I think.
Is that Maldini?
Oh,
Inzaghi.
That's a beauty.
Wow.
14 of 25, Inzaghi.
That is me.
That is you, AC Milan others.
Milan
I don't think we split him, did we?
Don't think so.
That's a stunner.
Wow.
Look at that. The colour match on that as well.
That is beautiful.
Don't deserve to say. Again.
You're right. It could have been Kaka.
It could have been Kaka. It could have been. Screw you all.
Wow.
There we go. We're starting to get some. Starting to pick up some pace here.
I mean, these cards are just crazy. Well, these boxes are crazy. The Italian Kaka. What, Maldini? Maldini's the Italian Kaka.
Right, this is a patch auto, I think.
Is that blue?
Blue. Blue patch auto, and that is Upamecano, 75.
That's mine as well, I think.
God, you're eating,
covers.
fam. Yeah, Bayern Munich covers.
That's mine.
Nice. Congrats.
Thank you.
Player award as well. And our patch. Oh,
Jude!
there's another one, Lav.
Hello, lad. Got a whole napkin.
You can build the napkin he used to sneeze once with.
That's you.
Oh, this is a 13.
These ones.
They're 130 as well, right?
Oh.
Are they? Yeah, no, I opened a new pack.
Yes.
There we go. That's another Jude Bellingham. We've got 2 of them now. I need to up the dub count because of that Inzaghi. That's fit. So the 2 cards in the centre of your screen are the 2 dubs from this break so far. Right. Next pack. I keep forgetting. I need to cover up this first card. Let me go. Nice. Right. So it's going to be an auto. Oh. Right. Who have we got here? Auto to 75 because it's blue. Oh, I think I know who that is, you know. It's Declan Rice. Carlo, you've done very well here. 73 or 75, Declan Rice. That is a nice one. That to go alongside your Gilberto Silva. Nice. Starting to get some decent things now here. We've got 3 cards in here.
Oh, so you had 4?
There are 4 cards in here.
Oh.
2 thick ones, and then obviously a thin one underneath here.
Oh. Rice, baby. Are you a fan? Have you seen that advert? The Rice?
I have, yeah. Patch auto looks like Celtic. Yeah. To $2.99.
What number is it?
50.
Okay.
Maida. Don't need the rest of the case now. Well, never know. There might still be something lurking. Right. As I say, we've got an extra card in this pack, so you're welcome, folks. That looks very, very gold.
That is gold. It's to 50.
26. It looks like a legend. The 50.
Is that Barella? The Inter.
Oh, no. PSG. Ugarte.
Oh, okay.
Ugarte. PSG. Not from any specific game or event. We need like a big auto. And the Inzaghi's nice, don't get me wrong. Foden's nice. Rice is also pretty decent. But we want like a big... I think this is just going to be another...
It's a blocker.
It's a blocker. It's just great, isn't it? This feels thick. Like, feels thick.
No one either of the guesses. Hey, well, it looked like Barella. It wasn't Barella. It wasn't a legend either.
That card in the middle is so thick.
Whoa.
Could that be a laces?
That could be a laces or the ball.
Or the match ball hat trick?
Yes.
Oh.
But it could have been Kaka.
It could be Kaka.
All of them could have been Kaka.
That is such a thick card.
That is chunk. What is that? That's going to be like 260.
Luckily we've stocked up on top loaders.
260, 3, whatever.
Right. Meanwhile, our auto looks like it's purple. That Lozano? It is.
Lozano.
To 99. Irving Lozano, PSV Eindhoven. There we go. Irving Lozano. I'm going to do the card at the bottom first.
That's a shout.
Because this one here looks pretty nuts. That looks like it's teal. The 1/1 tees. Yeah. And that is Balde again.
Balde again.
It's 199. It's not the best in the world.
Okay, this could be gigantic.
It could. It can.
You see what I mean?
Yeah,
Just
the
the sleeves a bit big.
Too big on the sleevage. This is the right thickness.
What's the max number of? I think 299.
What, on the hat tricks?
Or just any of them.
Let's have a look. I'm going to just double check.
I think just on any of them. But just the max number 2 is 299.
Just double checking how rare these hat trick ones are. It's an auto relic, isn't it?
Probably.
Why are they not there? Oh, framed hat trick card. It's
So
25.
some of them aren't framed.
No, I
because
don't think they are framed.
not all of them. Some of them are, some of them aren't.
Just for context, the players. So we think this is a hat trick exclusive. The players on this list are Garnacho, Haaland, Bellingham, Messi, and Rafael Leao. We know it's going to be Rafael Leao, don't we?
Because it's salvage.
Because it's salvage. Ooh, I think I've just seen it.
I didn't see the.
I think I might have just seen it.
Yeah,
It's
it's a hat
it's a
trick.
hat trick. Oh,
Garnacho.
to 99. Garnacho. Is that
That's
for Swiss?
Swiss. I think that is Swiss.
Swiss?
Yes!
Swiss!
Swiss!
Oh, that's a lovely
So
card.
that's the ball one.
Yeah, it's the match ball and then a shirt.
Yeah.
21 of 99, hat trick, Alejandro Garnacho.
Wow.
That's a lovely card right there. Go on, Srith.
Finally!
You're going to want a...
That is a thick patch.
What is that?
I reckon...
260? We put that in here, didn't we?
Yeah.
Was it 260 or 360?
Congratulations, Sri. So try one of them.
Try 260.
Try 260. Unfortunately, yeah, apologies to those who didn't hit. Remember, we do have 2 other breaks on the website. If you do fancy getting involved, please do get involved. You want to see more? Well, I can chuck the discount on again. 15 to start with. Probably 15.
Try the 260.
I think that might be spot on. It is. Look at that. Oh. That's a shirt and a ball. Really, really nice patch. Lovely card. Garnacho, 21.99.
Wow.
Srith, congrats.
I mean, if we can start filling the second one, we can get it open ASAP.
Let me
rock
quickly enable
yeah,
the
what?
discount again. Is this one there? Yeah.
But we were very. It was very slow to move that last one, so ideally, if we can get it going soon.
Right, yeah. So the discount is active again on the next couple. But let's run you through the hits. So, Balde, Lozano, Ugarte, Maida, Bellingham, Upamecano, Asensio, Bellingham again, Bastoni, Haaland patch, Minter, Furuhashi, Abada patch auto, Oliver Kahn, and Balde again. And on the wall, things get a little bit sexy. The hat-trick boxes they're incredible, yeah. So that is why the prices, they do hike up a little bit when you do add a hat-trick box in, because it's...
I mean, the hat trick box alone is about £800.
Yeah, they're stacked. Kylian Mbappe to 99, Rice to 75, Gilberto to 50, Foden to 25 patch auto, Inzaghi to 25, and this beauty to 99 Garnacho hat-trick. It's a lovely card, that.
Yeah. Alright, congrats, Tris.
Congrats, Tris. It's been a long time coming, let's just say that.
As I need a...
Just base.
Could probably sleep.
We can probably just put them on.
Put them there.
We'll just put them in a pile.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're welcome, Stress. That gasp is that caca. God's sake, that's going to be a meme now, isn't it? Right, spots left.
At least there's some meme.
As you can see, I think that's up to date. There's a lot of spots,
Yeah.
but if people do want to fill it, feel free. The discount is active. Lovely.
Wow.
The rest room.
It's okay. Take it easy. Don't hurt yourself on the way in.
Take care.
Oh, boys. That was a good break. That was a good one. But it can always be better. Be better. We can always be better. I'm looking at getting another spot in this next one. Jam's messing about there, but that Right. There we are. Spots left. Can Jack answer DM when possible, please? Cheers and thanks. Yeah, when he's back. Right. 89 others are gone. Right, so these are actually 15% off, I believe. No spots gone just yet. How do I pull a caca? Or you always pull a caca if you believe. Just believe long enough, you will pull a caca. Why are these different sizes?
Are you sold?
Caca. Not caca. Caca's on my mind. I took 80 my land others again. So that is 49 left. 49 spots left. Sorry?
We'll have one's a picture of these Bellinghams.
Ah. I would recommend the Messi and R9 spots for anyone considering. Right, take it easy, Carlo. Appreciate you getting involved and hanging out with us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, Carlo. Have a good one, mate. Salvage is wanting Scout 7 and Liao. Yes.
Mhm.
It comes to 97, 85?
Yeah.
Yeah, 85 salvage we can do. Shall we stop recording?